Okay, today I'm going to be trying to catch any fish for the fly rod. I'm new to fly fishing. I suck at fly fishing. Always wanted to do it. They just cut the grass. The water is shallow today. Or been shallow like it's been the past couple weeks. So I'm going to try to take advantage of the shallowness. Oh, I caught one. I caught something. Full of bass. Holy crap. My first fly. Here, let me turn around. My first fly fishing fish, which in this case is a small bass, so nothing I could ask for, I don't think, anymore. Yeah! Haha! Fish number 2, I'm not sure if you can see that. Number 2. There we go. Took long enough. I think it's another little bass. Yeah. Man. Finally got one like in mid eating of it, barely. Damn, that GoPro's hot. I touched it. Fish number 3. Little bass. Let him go. Hopefully, yeah, he can get his way out. Well, there's one. Number 4. Hopefully, we can keep him on. Yeah. Oh. Ooh, we're gonna be able to. Oh, no, we weren't able to salvage him. Oh, number 5. Come on now. Let the little thing go. Yeah, man. I ain't catching more bass. I figured caught more bluegill or something. Oh my gosh. It's another bass, I think. Sorry, I'm not good at this. I'm trying to get good at swinging here. It's number what? 4 or 5? 5, 6? 5, I think. Oh! Number 6! Bass! Number 7. I just missed one there. I turned this little jig up and I did not bring more jigs. I'll be honest, I was not expecting to catch one fish, let alone this many fish. So, what we got? Probably fixing to catch him again. How the hell hit it again? I don't know what happened. Maybe we'll catch a fish out of it. Oh, there's a good one. Number 8, I think. 8 or 9. This is where the trick comes in. Because I've got so much leader. It does not look like the same fish. Oh shit, man, right in the tongue. Sorry, buddy. Don't mean to mess your taste up. I know you like to hit me in the legs. Little loser. Oh, there's a good one. Holy crap. No, stay down, stay down, stay down. There's a better one for today. Obviously, fly gear, you're expecting smaller fish, but that's like number 9 or 10. Oh. Oh, that's a good one. Hold on there, buddy. Finally. Oh, that's the biggest one of the day. Oh, no, no, stay down, stay down. Oh, oh. Whew. Not a bad little fish. It's like number 11 or 12 that I've caught. I'm not counting the one that I missed. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, it's not. No, it's not as good. Oh. There's number 12 or 13, whatever it is. Oh, this is gonna make a good little video. Did you? Hey, that one didn't hit me. I was way out. Oh, that's a good one, whatever it is. Good largy. Good large. Keep mine wrapped around the GoPro. Oh yeah, nice largy. For what we're doing. For what? For what we got throwing. There's one. Made it up. 14 or 15, where the other? We're getting there. Oh, I missed one. And that was a very sensitive hook set. It pulled it that far. Shit, man. Yeah, that was a good one. Oh, I got one. Like number, oh. So we're still like at number 10. Oh, that's not coming on. There's one. Oh, I don't know. I think that was a bluegill. They didn't hit or fight like a bass. I've gotten pretty good at this fly throwing for short dip. Oh man, totally missed one. I'll tell you, once you catch a fish on a fly rod, no matter how big it is, man, you feel like you just all of a sudden became a lot 100 times better, man. That's the way I feel.